My name is Patrick Etefia. I'm from London, United Kingdom. I came to FMS because I had a few problems with my root canal and my dentures, which was beginning to feel very comfortable. I went to several dentists in the UK, but none of them gave me the type of treatment that I wanted. And also the prices that they were quoting was extremely expensive, to say the least. I Googled various dentists abroad in Hungary, UK, and other places in Europe. And one of the things that struck me about FMS in India were the facilities and the array of doctors that were in display. When I initially contacted FMS, I was very impressed with Dr. Rune, and I also had a Skype call with Dr. Paul as well. I decided on the basis of that to have a treatment designed. I was very impressed with the treatment plan and decided to come to Hyderabad. When I arrived, I felt very welcomed and very warm and very reassured. So I decided to go ahead with the plan. And I must admit that the ambience, the facility, the modern facilities, the display of different specialists in root canal, surgery, dentures, everything was very, very impressive, and I felt very, very comfortable. Now that the treatment has finished, I feel very much alive once more. I'm really, really happy. I've already recommended this practice to my friends in the UK, and I know one is coming around next year. Your price is absolutely less than a third of what it will be in the UK. In fact, I think maybe that's a slight understatement, because I had far more treatment than I was quoted in the UK, and yet I was able to come to this beautiful country for a fraction of the price and enjoy the whole experience. So if you're hesitating, don't hesitate. I give 5-star to FMS Dental, and I would highly recommend you to come. Don't worry about what the doctors in the UK say. They will try to put you off. They will try to be very negative. But the reality of the situation is that you will have a very welcome staff, very modern facility, and they are more customer focused and not money focused.